Today I have some LED headlight bulbs to show. These are H11. I've been wanting to get some LEDs for a while. I'm tired of the lower beam amber color that I have. And these ones were quite a bit more budget friendly compared to some of the other ones. And as far as I know, you don't really need any adapters for these. It has the plug that you actually need. I think the only one where you might need adapters for certain cars would be the H7 high beam ones. But they look pretty nice. They do have a fan to dissipate some of the heat. I know that some of these can get a little warm. Of course, both of them are the same thing. I will install it. I will show you kind of the difference between my two headlights as well. I do have the high beams coming. I'm just waiting for them. But these again are for the H11. I'm going to be putting it on my 2016 Kia Sorento. You also get a couple gloves. So if you're worried about touching your halogen bulbs, if that's what you got, you don't have to, you could just wear these. You don't have to worry about getting oils on them and everything. I'm still going to save my halogens just for backup in case I ever need one. I was having a little trouble getting the angle, but super easy to install. Took me about 2 minutes or so. I got the first one done here. It's still bright outside, but kind of give you an idea, we got a bright white and then we got the amber here. I'll have to let it get dark to kind of show you how bright they are. So I waited a few hours. It's nice and dark outside. Those are bright. My car is at a slight angle. Wow, it's even brighter than the brights. So I can only imagine going with the LED brights. But hopefully this kind of gives you an idea. These lights do work pretty well. They are pretty bright.